Hello, this is Sheila. She's Beautiful Urban, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I have an unboxing, and it's a well-anticipated product. You all may know, but wait and see. And if you want to see what the unboxing is, just keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please push the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. And like I said, if you want to see what I have in my box from Beautylish, then just keep on watching. And also, you guys, it's going to be a try-on. So, along with the unboxing, there is going to be a try-on, all right? So, we are basically testing out a new product. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. I've taken the tape off already. So, I just got my box today. And that's my label, my beauty label, Beautylish. It says my box was packaged by Becca. I don't know if that's an L or a V, but thanks, Becca. And here it is. Yes, I can't wait. This is the new launch by Jeffree Star. His new concealer and powder. So let's open it up. All right, let me get this paper out here. They got some nice paper in here. And the first thing I see is I don't know what this is. I didn't order it, but I guess it's exclusive to Beautylish. They tend to give you some sample products or a new product that they're also testing out. So let's see what this is in my box that they done surprised me with. It's a nice little bottle. Nice packaging. Put that over there. And this is what it looks like. Let y'all see that. I don't know if y'all can read it. Let's see. Bioderma. This says Bioderma Sebium H2O. All right now. Let's see what the little tab says. It says the Sebium or Sebium collection. This new generation of oil control skincare balances your skin's sebum production to prevent clogged pores and acne. Skin is left smooth and clear with a healthy matte finish, not dry, tight, or uncomfortable. All right. So this is like a type of water solution. Purifying, cleansing micelle solution. All right. I will be using that sooner or later. It's a nice size. Look at that. All right. I see you, Beautylish, and I appreciate you. All right. Next, I see is my lipstick holders. Let's open that up. This is my pink glitter makeup display case. And there's two in this display case that y'all see that. Isn't that pretty? And it's glitter. It's got his logo right there in the front, the beautiful stars. And there you go. It has the name Jeffree Star Cosmetics right on the bottom. I keep running away from my camera, y'all. There you go. Hope y'all can see that. The glitters is shining. Okay, and you pull it apart. I needed these for my liquid lipsticks, and I got the set of 2. It's neat how they have it packaged. Look at that. Looks like staircases. I saw them and I had to get them. So I will be putting my liquid lipsticks in here. I'm pretty sure they should hold both sizes. I have some right over here. Goes in there like that. Hi! Can't wait to put them in here. These are really pretty. Like I said, can't wait, can't wait. All right. Let me set these over here. And now for what I've been waiting for. Yes. I already know what this is. Let me move this humongous box with the beautiful packaging inside. So let's open this up. All right, all right. They always have it nicely packaged. They try their best not to let them come damaged. Go ahead and get that bag open. I ordered 2 concealers and a powder. I ordered the Magic Star powder in caramel. And I ordered 2 concealers. One is C21 and C22. Can't see the color, so I'll open them up. This packaging is really nice. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Kind of holographic. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's open it up. Come on out of there. I don't want to come out. Let me see if I can pull it from the bottom. Come on out of there. Yes. I'm hoping I got the right colors. Really can't tell when you're purchasing online. So there is C22. A little bit darker shade. Very pretty. And now we're going to open C21. I'm opening both the top and bottom. They're a little bit different, just a little bit different from each other. But I'm not worried about running out. And this packaging is so pretty. Oh, it's so, oh my goodness, y'all. Isn't that nice? Look at that, y'all. Oh, got a little star on the top. That is nice. Elegant. I will also put that in my case because I don't know if I have all, I don't know if the ones that I do have, my lipsticks will all fit in here, but I'm pretty sure this will fit too. Well, not quite. I tried. Let me see. No, not quite. A little bit. A little bit. Hold on. Let me let y'all see. I'm going to hold on at the camera. Yeah. See that? Let me quit playing. All right. All righty. This packaging is lovely. He did his thing with this. No other packaging measures up. It's not cheap. It's like a glass. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I don't know if that's glass or plastic, but it's nice hard plastic if it is. Acrylic maybe. But they're pretty. I like the packaging. Now let's open up the powder. The powder says Weightless, Flawless, Ultra Fine, Set Your Life into Place. Creasing who? Can't relate. Oh my goodness. Yes. And it is a net weight of 10 grams. All right. And 0.353 ounces of product. Not too bad. Let's see, I can't read the little bitty writings on this container, but let me see what the packaging says for the concealer. Full coverage, long wearing, anti-aging properties, natural matte finish. All right. I have oily skin, so matte is good for me. All right. Now let's just powder this beautiful, lovely packaging on this powder. Oh my goodness, y'all. That is so pretty. Yes, Lord. And I said caramel. All right. Made in the USA. All right. Let me open it up. I saw a few reviews. And they was talking about it had a nice smell to it. Ooh-wee. It's got some powder out of it. For it to be concealed, you wouldn't think there'd be powder leaking. But look at mine. It's quite a bit. In the top as well. That tad bit strange. Ooh, smells good. I'm not understanding why there's so much product in my package. Y'all saw I just opened it up brand new. Let me grab my garbage can because I don't want to get all this loose powder on me. Wow, that's weird. Let me grab a brush so I can kind of clean that off. See that? Y'all see that? That's crazy. Quite a bit. Look at that. Wasting my product. Look at that. Powder all over. I'm not using it that's been loose out like that. Oh well. Let me turn it. Make sure there is a tab on here because it shouldn't be leaking like that. Turn it. Make sure that the paper is on there. And it is. And it's sealed. So let me dust that off some too. The tab is on. I don't know if y'all can see that because it's white. Let me pull the tab. It was sealed. So it might have been, see there? It was sealed. So it might just been during the transport. Oh, it smells so good. Nice and light though. But you can smell it. Oh, it smells so good. All right. So I've already got my eyes done. And we're going to get the rest of my face done because we are trying out this product. All right. Let's move some things and get us straightened out. Okay. So let me get my foundation. And the foundation I'm going to be using is from Milani. This is some really good foundation. It says the Milani Conceal and Protect. No, Conceal and Perfect. Sorry to my head, not my heart. 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer. It's kind of weird. I don't know if I should use that one because I want this concealer here to perform as it should. So let me pick another foundation. And I think I'm going to use, I want to try, I think I'll do the CoverGirl. I'm going to do the CoverGirl All-in-One Flawless Foundation. It says 3-in-1. Let me see what that says because I don't want to be picking up. Okay, it's the sunscreen. Foundation and Solisol sunscreen. Okay, that's my CoverGirl. And this is True Ebony. So we're going to do that one. I don't want to use a foundation that already has concealer in it because I'm testing out this concealer. 3 little squirts. I don't need very much. Grab my brush. It's my Jeffree Star brush, and this is the J. Let me see if I can see it. JS1. Go ahead, put my foundation on. I used the Morphe concealer. The Morphe primer for my skin. So let's put this on. This is a perfect match foundation. Really nice. It's like the perfect match to my skin tone. Trying to stay turned to you guys as much as I can so you all can really see. Okay. Hope my camera is not washing me out so you all can see everything. Get my ears. Okay. Get that halo off the top of my eyebrows. At least try to. Hope you all can see this real good. Nice and light. Okay. Like so. All right. Now, let's get our concealer. Okay. Alexa, stop. She just come on when she feel like it. Ain't that some mess? Okay, I think out of the two, I'm going to try number C22. I think that's the one I'm going to try. And I am highlighting, using this as a highlighter. Let me see how I open this up. Twist this off. Y'all can see that. Let me get y'all a little bit lower. Hope this okay. All right. All right. Like I said, I hope I picked the right color. I'm not sure. But I think I did. I'm going to swatch that for y'all. Oh, that's so pretty. I think I picked the right one. Yes, that's beautiful. That color is really pretty. Let me get my wipe. Oh, yeah. I think I got the right one. Let's go ahead and put it on. Let me get tribal. Boop, 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 boop. Right down my nose. Boop. I'm not going to dip in. See how much I can get in before I have to dip. Let me try this side. It does hold quite a bit of product on this little wand. Now I'm going back in. I want it to be a little bit thicker. Right here. Okay. Just like that. All right. I don't know if I should blend this out with a sponge or should I do it with my brush. I'm gonna see how it's gonna perform with my brush. The same brush I use for my foundation. Blending out smooth. Yes, I did pick the right color. Oh, look at that, y'all. Where's my mirror? Get my mirror so I can stay in front of you guys so y'all can see. Oh my God, that's smooth. Look how smooth that is. Oh my goodness, my goodness. Oh, I might have to get my sponge though because my brush is kind of big. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on with my brush and then I grab my sponge. Go ahead and put it on with my brush first. Just like that. A little bit more on this side than I did this side. Get a little bit more on this side. Y'all bear with me. Nah. Okay, let me grab my sponge. This is my Morphe sponge, the Jeffree Star Morphe sponge. His collaboration with Morphe. Blend that in. Oh, this is so smooth and soft. Okay. This concealer is really soft. I like the consistency too. You wouldn't think it'd be this soft with the consistency, but it really is soft. And it is definitely matte because it's drying down really nice. Oh, wait, that's pretty. Blend that out. Blending out really nice and smooth. I like that. I wanted to get the concealers, but I wasn't even thinking. Uh, when I went on Jeffree's site, it was saying something like technical difficulties. So I hurry up and I jumped off the site and went straight to Beautylish. And I went through that so easy. It was no problem at all. And I was happy. Oh, I was happy. I was like, oh, please don't run out. Don't run out of my skin tone color. Don't run out, period. Oh my God, this is so nice and smooth. Just like I'm not even putting on the concealer. It's that smooth. Y'all can see I do already have natural wrinkles, but it's sitting on my eyes really nice. So, I mean, but hopefully it does not crease within. Okay. But it is on there so smooth. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. Let me grab the powder. No, I ain't gonna grab the powder yet. Let me grab my contour kit by Anastasia. My contour kit in deep. Go ahead and do that first. So I'm gonna dip my sponge in here like this. Do my outlines. That's how I do it with the sponge. I just go ahead and tap it in where I need to tap it and blend. I don't know if anybody else does that, but I do. Oh, this is so nice. That's a nice concealer. I'm just stunned by how soft that concealer is. I want a nice, clean blend. Put it under the lip. So my lips appear fuller because I have tiny lips. Okay. Let me do my nose. I also have a tiny nose. And then into the brow a little bit. Man, all right. Okay, Now let's get our setting powder. Put a little bit in the top. Okay. I'll put that on with my JS2 Jeffree Star brush. Tap that in. Oh, I kind of went in, didn't I? Ooh. I didn't know I touched it that hard. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my God. Oh my God. That smell. Oh, kind of flew up my nose a little bit. Just gonna pat that into place. Just like so. Get it right under my eyes. I don't know if anybody else experienced that powder, but yes, it smells good, but it affects the nose. Swipe that like that. Okay, let me get a brush. Put some down the bridge of my nose. Okay, just like that. More powder under my eyes. I'm gonna hold my head down because I do have hooded lids, and the small wrinkles under my eye, I want them to be okay. Let that sit on just a little bit, not too long. All right. Okay. Now I'm going to grab my contour powder, and this contour powder is this is the palette says True Complexion by Black Radiance, and this is the dark to deep. It's really pretty, and it's the contour, sculpt, and highlight. But I'm not going to use this highlight. I'm going to use Jeffree's highlight, and this is in the Skin Frost in Dark Horse. So I'm going to try that out. So let me grab my powder, my contour brush, and this is my Morphe brush, the dome brush from Morphe. Tap lightly because Black Radiance is very pigmented. Just going to go right in here. Scope out my cheekbones. I like them Walking Dead cheekbones. And bring what's left in the brush and just swirl it at the top, right over that powder, right around the circumference of my head. Now under the jawline. Just like so. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe. Push the notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. And like I said, welcome, welcome. Give me a thumbs up if you're watching and you're liking this video so far. All right, let's go ahead and dust this powder off my face. powder is so soft. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. Get my nose contour a little bit more. Bring it back through. I like a snatched nose. All right. Okay, let me get some blush. I'm going to use my Juvia's Place palette. It's the Saharan Blush Palette, Volume 2. I'm going to go into Bay. Get my Royal Lane Nickel brush, my favorite blush brush. Real softly. This is so pretty. Getting that color back into my face. All right. Now, let's get our highlighter. And Dark Horse. See what highlighter brush I'm going to use. Gonna use my JS number 3. I don't know if this was a highlighter brush or not, but I'm gonna try it. Tap lightly, but you know Jeffree's highlighters are pigmented. Ooh, see that? Ooh. Be careful, honey. Come around my eye, just like so. Talking pigmentation. Oh my God. Y'all see that? Ooh. Bam. Ooh. Blend that out. Oh. Ooh. Doing the bridge of my nose. Ooh, the highlight is nice. Right in my forehead, right in the center. I like mine right in the center. Right over my lip. Cupid's bow. Little chin action. Just in spots where the sun is going to hit. Okay, now we've done that. Now let me grab my How Many Watts by Fenty Beauty. I like to put that over the top of my highlighter. And this is my Morphe 437 brush. I smooth that out like that. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that wet look. Honey, we are glowing. Okay. And for my eyes, I use both of Jeffree Star's #1 palettes, the Androgyny and the Beauty Killer palettes. I got this backwards. I'm going to hold it. I had not used these in a good while. Let me see. It's been a minute since I pulled them out. But the pigmentation on these is as if I just opened the pack. Beautiful. The pigmentation is awesome. That's what I'm wearing on my eyes today. All right. Now let me get my eyeliner. Move this computer out of the way. Hold on a second. Not that one. Let me get my mold back. Just like that. Okay, let me go in for my eyeliner. My little wing that's kind of disappeared. Just a little bit. Okay. I'm going to smudge out my bottom lash line. I'm going to grab one of these palettes. I'm going to go in with the red. This deep red called Fetish. So let me grab my brush. I left one of them up here, but here it is. This is the Morphe E18 brush. Smudge out the bottom lash line. I already have my green liner by NYX. Ooh, this pigmentation in this palette is amazing. Y'all, my palette is when it first came out, so hey, I barely used it, but the quality is still there, so I'm not throwing it away. I know the shelf life are sometimes what, 1 year or 24 months. This one is, I can't hardly see, 12. And I know my palette is well over a year, so what, 2 years maybe? I can't even remember. Let me see. Well, it don't say on the back either the year, but hey, I know it's well over a year. So I smudged out my bottom lash line with the red. Now let's get a lip color on. This packaging, I got my NYX lip pencil in Club Hopper. I have two colors, two main colors, which is the teal green and the red. So I have a kind of teal color here from the Blue Blood collection, and this is Jawbreaker with this one, and the other color is from the Love Me Not, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, and this one is in Unicorn Blood. So it's not Love Me Not. This one is from the Open Here Nudes. It's the Nudes collection. Y'all forgive me. But I'm going to put this one first and then this one second. We are staying with the theme. Here goes. Have tiny lips, so it don't take me long to put lipsticks on. At all. Very pretty. Now this one's going in the center. Just a little bit. Just like that. Concentrate the lipstick in the center. I like the extreme colors. I love a good blend of colors. Step out of the box. Jeffree is very beautiful and eccentric just like that too. So I don't mind it either. Make sure it's good and even. Okay. Now let me spray my face. And I have my setting spray, my Prep and Prime by MAC. You know I like to soak in it. Okay, y'all liking that? Oh my goodness. Still wet. Let me get my fan. Gonna do a nice wear test on this concealer and the setting powder. Gotta get it good and dry. All right. So this is the finished look. Y'all see the eyes? Like I said, we use on my eyes both palettes, the Androgyny and the Beauty Killer. For my highlighter, we had Dark Horse, this beautiful gold color. Dark Horse. Swatch that for y'all. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Make no sense. And we have our concealers, our beautiful concealers. They call it the Magic Star concealers in 21 and 22. We have our star powder in caramel. It's beautiful caramel color. All right, and we used our brushes. These are all a few of the brushes from his collection. I want to try to use as many of his products in this look as possible. And this is the finished look. I'm not really doing this matte, but I'm going to keep it matte on my lips. But hey, if you like this video, you like this look, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and push the notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. And I'm going to turn to the side. My lashes are from Broadway Lashes. So, here we go. If you like this look, hey, like I said, I would love for you guys to be a part of the Urban Beauty community. So, hey, push that subscribe button. Support my channel. I need y'all. Hey, push the notification bell now so you be notified every time I upload a video. Hey, you guys, this powder is amazing. Very soft. Very soft. I'm going to do a wear test. I've never seen or felt powders this soft or concealers this soft that blend out so smooth. Hey. In another video, I will let you guys know how this wears. So, hey, but so far putting it on was awesome. But hey, until next time, folks, peace, love, and taco grease. Love you guys. Bye. Let me go and get my screenshot on for y'all.